In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Windows 11 date and time. Updated 2026 full guide. If your clock is off because you've traveled, your PC isn't syncing correctly, or you just need to set a specific time for testing, this walkthrough will make the process quick and clear. We'll use the built-in Settings app and keep everything simple and reliable. Start by opening Settings. The fastest way is to press the Windows key and the letter I together on your keyboard. That keyboard shortcut opens the Settings window right away, so you don't have to dig through menus. Once Settings is open, look to the left side panel and choose Time and Language. This section controls the clock, language, and typing options for your PC, and it's where all the date and time settings live. After that, select Date and Time from the main area. This brings you to the page where you can switch between automatic and manual control. By default, Windows usually handles your clock for you. If you want to set the time yourself, turn off the toggle labeled Set Time automatically. This hands control back to you and makes the manual change button available. Turning off automatic time doesn't affect other settings. It just tells Windows not to adjust the clock on its own. Now click Change under Set the Date and Time. A small window appears where you can adjust the date and the time. Carefully set the year, month, and day to match what you need. Then set the hours and minutes, and make sure you're using the correct AM or PM if your system is on a 12-hour format. Take a moment to double-check everything before you confirm. Accurate time matters for things like calendar events, timestamps, and even secure connections in your browser. After you've entered the correct values, confirm the change to apply it. Most of the time you'll see the taskbar clock update right away. To make sure every app and background service recognizes the new time, you can either restart your PC or simply close the Settings app. A full restart is a good idea if you notice any apps not reflecting the update immediately. If you don't see the change button or the toggle is grayed out, your device might be managed by an organization or restricted by administrator settings. In that case, you'll need admin permission to modify the clock manually. That's it. You've manually set the date and time in Windows 11, and you're ready to get back to work with a clock you can trust.